video, we'll discuss soil forming factors and types of weathering in soil. There are 5 soil forming factors. The 5 soil forming factors are parent material, climate, biota, topography, and time. Parent material is the primary material from which the soil is formed. Primary materials vary and could be bedrock, organic material, an old soil surface, or deposited by water, wind, glaciers, volcanoes, or materials moving down a slope. Climate plays an important role in the formation of soil. Heat, rain, ice, snow, wind, and sunshine all impact parent material that is forming soil. These factors break down parent material and can speed or slow the formation process. The biota is all plants and animals living on or in the soil. This includes people, landscaping, earthworms, and crops. The amount of water and nutrients plants need affect soil formation. The presence of additional water or nutrients, or lack thereof, can impact soil formation. Animals and bacteria living in the soil impact decomposition of waste materials, which greatly impacts the components of a soil profile. Animals also impact how soils are moved through the soil profile. Topography is an integral part of soil formation. Topography is the location of the soil on a landscape. Some impacts of topography are that soils at the bottom of a hill get more water, soils on slopes that face the sun will be drier, and the accumulation of minerals and plant nutrients are dependent upon location. All of the soil forming factors are impacted by time. Soil formation is a slow process. Soil formation often takes hundreds to thousands of years. Weathering must take place for soils to form. There are 2 types of soil weathering, chemical and physical. There are many different types of chemical weathering. In carbonation and solution, water combines with carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid dissolves rocks that contain lime, calcium, and magnesium. In hydrolysis, water disrupts the chemical composition of and size of a mineral, which creates less stable minerals. In hydration, water combines with the compounds in rocks, causing a chemical change in the rock's structure. During oxidation, oxygen combines with compounds to form oxides, which weakens the rocks. During spheroidal weathering, water penetrates through cracks in rocks and dissolves the cement that binds particles together. This weakens and breaks apart the rock. There are also different types of physical weathering. During crystallization, moisture evaporates and mineral salts form from mineral crystals. These crystals continue to grow and spread apart mineral grains. This eventually breaks apart the rocks. Temperature variation is a method of physical weathering as well. Minerals expand and contract during temperature changes, especially in areas with extreme temperatures. Minerals are separated and cracks are enlarged due to temperature variation. Unloading and exfoliation are processes that contribute to physical weathering. Cracks appear when pressure is released, often when material is removed from the rock because that material is no longer holding it in place. Sheets or slabs of cracked rock will slip off and become further eroded. This video discussed the 5 soil forming factors and 2 types of weathering.